Now, finally gained the upper hand on potholes, thanks to Romix North America's RoadSaver pothole repair product. RoadSaver is fast, versatile, and long-lasting. Plus, it saves money. When using RoadSaver, simply pour the premixed material directly into a pothole. There is no need to prepare the pothole, no sweeping, no cutting. The pothole can be full of dirty water. This will not affect the performance of RoadSaver. Any moisture is displaced and repelled by our specially blended product. Freezing weather does not affect RoadSaver. RoadSaver is manufactured in state-of-the-art facilities in Durban and Johannesburg, South Africa, and carry ISO 9001 and 14001 certificates. All orders are quality inspected before leaving the factory. Romix North America, bringing you technologies that just work.